Hey, welcome to Tartan Threads. We are located in lower level Stockdale. Come on into the store. We have exclusive gear for Monmouth College. You can share your Fighting Scots pride. Everything from t-shirts to long sleeves to crew necks and hoodies and more. Make sure you come and shop all of the styles like this exclusive Fall 25 football tee and more. We are open Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and on game days and other special events. So make sure you stop in and see us. We'd love to help you shop.
Hi, I'm Stacy Lotes. We're at the Hughes Library on the second floor. I'm standing outside of the two Len G. Everett galleries where we host current exhibitions as well as focus on our collections.
Hi, I'm Marnie. Welcome to the Career and Leadership Center. One of the most exciting things we do here is to help students connect for internship opportunities where they can gain experience in the real world. From top companies to nonprofit organizations, our students are putting their learning to practice and getting ready for success.
Hi, I'm Eric Pio. This is the Peterson Theater on the first floor of Peterson Hall. All Peterson residents have access to this room. All they have to do is just scan their ID to get in, but all Monmouth students are welcome to enjoy the space. You can recline, watch some TV, play some games with friends. Really, you can just hang out whenever you want. If you want to reserve a spot, you can look on the website, or you can ask any of the Peterson RAs or HR.